Yes. Hello, student. I hope you are well and you are doing good. Okay. So, as all of you have seen a cake, okay, we use cake while celebrating our birthday. Okay, and like while celebrating of any when we celebrate any function at that time you also we use cake and we cut the cake. Okay, so here what here one situation is there. What are the ingredients required to bake a cake? So tell me here. So as you know that how do you how this cake are became how we made this cake. Okay, so you have to tell me how do you relate the process of baking a cake with chemical reaction. Is there any relation between this cake with chemical reaction? Okay, so like here here we will come to know the uh, here we will come to know the combination of reaction. Like in this cake we have seen there is the chemical reaction. So now we will discuss about the combination reaction. Okay, so today's our topic will be the combination reaction. Okay, so let's discuss about combination reaction. Okay, combination reaction. Okay, so now you have to tell me, you have to define a combination reaction in your own word. Okay, okay, so let's discuss about combination reaction. Like we can see when two or more substance like elements or compound combine to form a single product, the reactants are called combination reaction. So I will write the definition here, you can write in your notebook. Okay, so what is combination reaction? Okay, so here when two or more substance when two or more substance combine to form a single product, combine to form a single product, the reaction are called combination reaction. The reaction are called combination reaction. So this is the definition of combination reaction. For like the general form of a combination reaction is like as we can see when we add a plus b it's become ab. So for example we can see that solid sodium metal react with chlorine gas to produce solid sodium chloride. Like here we can see 2NaS plus Clg and it's react 2NaClS. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear about this chemical reactants. Okay, combination reaction. Okay, so let's move further. Like if I ask you give some more examples of combination reaction occur in space, what will the answer here? Like rust is the product of a combination reaction of iron and oxygen. Like 4Fe plus 3O2, it's react 2Fe2O3. Like burning of coal, like here rust is product of combination, like for that it will be the equation 4Fe plus 3O2, okay, its reactant 2Fe2 plus O3, okay. Like burning of a coal, for burning of a coal it will be the Cs plus O2G, it's become CO2G, okay. Like that formation of water from S2, so S2G and O2G, okay. So here it will be the 2H2 plus G plus O2G, its reactants 2S2O, okay, like one, okay. So this is the examples of the, okay, combination reaction, okay. So moving further, I have one statement for you. You have to tell me, is it statement is true or false, okay. So the statement is that when two or more substance, element or compound combine to form a single product, the reaction are called combination reaction. Is it true or false? So it will be a true statement because we have discussed about this definition in the previous. So this will be the true statement. So as you have seen in chemistry lab, there is like a white color powder. What do you understand by to that white color powder? This what we say, this type of things is that, like, that is called calcium oxide, okay. Like we used to, when we are painting our home, then also we use like such as white things to paint our wall, okay. So let's discuss about an activity, okay. So you have to, do one activity and you have to tell me the observation for of that activity. Like that activity is given in your textbook, that activity is 1.4, and after reading that activity you have to tell me your observation, okay. So there is observation like calcium oxide reacts vigorously with water to produce slack lime calcium hydroxide, releasing a large amount of heat, okay. So what do you conclude from this activity? In this reaction, calcium oxide and water combine to form a single product, calcium hydroxide. Like such as reaction in which a single product is formed from two or more reactants is known as combination reaction, okay, as we have discussed about the combination reaction. So now here we will come to know what is the use of thermometer in this activity, and without thermometer activity will happen or not, okay. So here we will come to know about the concept of exothermic reaction. Concept of exothermic reaction, okay. So you have to explain the definition of exothermic reaction in your own word. What you understand by this exothermic reaction, okay. So coming to the explanation part, so here exothermic reaction is that reaction in which heat is released along with the formation of product. For example, like CaOS plus H2OI, its reactants CaOH2AQ plus heat like quicklime and slacked lime. Okay, so again, what is endothermic reaction? Opposite to the exothermic reaction, we will know about the endothermic reaction. So in this reaction, in which heat is absorbed, is known as endothermic reaction. For example like nitrogen. Example nitrogen. Like nitrogen combined with oxygen to give nitric oxide, heat is required for this reaction to occur. Okay, so here is the equation like N2 G plus O2 G plus heat, it's react to NO G. Okay, so this is the reaction. I hope everyone is clear about endothermic reaction and exothermic reaction. Okay, so okay, you have to perform one like you have to do one filling the blanks. Okay, so I will give you the question like dash is the clear solution of slacked lime in water. What is the answer here? Okay, so share your answer. Like slag is the clear solution of lime in water. Okay, so very good. So coming to the next. Okay, as you have seen that the okay, as you have seen like in your science book, the figure like our body parts are over there and they are named as. Okay, so you have to identify that figure and share your understanding by observing that figure. Okay, for that there we will come to know how do the digestive and respiratory system work together. So okay, so and you have to share your observation. Okay, so here like you can see that there is the digestive system like liver, small intestine, heart, diaphragm, and these are the parts of our body. Okay, so here we will come to know problem based on balancing chemical equation. Okay, so here we will come to the explanation part. In this reaction we can find the following like during digestion food is broken down into simpler substance. For example, rice, potatoes and bread contains carbohydrate. These carbohydrates are broken down to form glucose. This glucose combines with oxygen in the cell of our body and provide energy. Okay, so the special name of this reaction is respiration, is also an example of exothermic reaction. Okay, so here I will write the equation. Like here is the equation C6H12O6 AQ, it's react C6O2 AQ, it's react like 6CO2 AQ plus 6H2OI plus energy. So this is the equation of the exothermic reaction. Okay, so moving further, now you have to tell me which type of reaction does the decomposition of vegetable matter into compost. Which type of decomposition we use? The like we use exothermic reaction to decompose the vegetable matter into compost. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear till now. So again I have question for you like barium metal and fluorine gas react to form barium fluoride. Which of the following reaction describe the correct reaction for this combination reaction? For there is four option given over there, like BA plus F2, it's become BF2. And the second BAF2 plus, it's react BA plus F2, and BA plus F2, it's a BAF2. And the D1 is BAF2, it's react BA plus F2. So tell me the right answer here, tell me the right reaction over here. BA plus F2, it's react BAF2. Okay, though, so final answer will be here, like BA plus F2, it's react BAF2. So this will be the final answer here. Okay, so moving further, so let's recall our today's class, what we have discussed. Like in our today's class we have learned about combination reaction, and now let's summarize our today's class. Like first we have discussed about combination reaction. Like what is combination reaction? Like one combination reaction is that when two or more substance, element or compound combine to form a single product, the reaction is are called combination reaction. Okay, so later we have discussed about exothermic reaction. So what is exothermic reaction? Reaction in which heat is released along with the formation of product. And later we have discussed about endothermic reaction. So what is endothermic reaction? The reaction in which heat is absorbed is known as endothermic reaction. So I hope everyone have learned till now. Okay, so I have question for you, homework for you. Like you have to define combination reaction and search out more example related with chemical reaction in our space and note down in the following table. And again there is second question, like what does one mean by exothermic and endothermic reaction, give examples. And the third question is that a solution of a substance X is used for whitewashing. Like first name the substance X and write its formula, and write the reaction of the substance X named above with water. Okay, so there is one activity, like in activity we have to use lemon volcano. So in lemon volcano activity we need material required are that a tray, lemon cutting knife, spoon, measuring cup, baking soda and food colors. So instruction is there, like take a tray and lemon, cut them with cutting knife, and take a spoon of food color in a lemon and mix baking soda into lemon, and see what the release of carbon dioxide gas has to do with the volcano effect. Check out which type of reaction it is. Okay, so I hope everyone have write down this homework in their notebook, and please do this homework and this activity, so you will be able to like learn and understand the concepts of today's class. Okay, so I hope you will do great. Okay, so thank you everyone, we will meet in our next class and we will discuss further about this the topic. Okay, so I hope everyone will be the